What's up, everybody? It's Jeremy here, and I'm ocean bound. I am heading to Nahant today. It's a special day because it's over 50 degrees in January. And I mean, right now it's sunny. I think it could get a little cloudier. What we have is like a sustained 40-something mile an hour wind that blew for the last, I don't know, like 12 hours. So it's built up the waves. The waves look like they're 7, 8 feet. But now the wind just shifted, so it's like more southwest, side off. Waves are coming from the southeast, so it's a really nice direction. The waves are only gonna get smaller throughout the day, but they look pretty good now on both of the cams that I was watching. So I'm stoked. I'm planning on taking the FG out is because I've got that new 880 foil, and I also just picked up a 140 dart. So I think with the new HAs, people are frothing over this tail on just another level. So I had to pull the trigger. I called my wing dealer. I'm like, final answer, send me that tail. And it showed up yesterday. So I'm stoked. So 880 FG. I just put 2 new camera mounts on my board here, broke 2 last session, so I'm like ready to go. Yeah, I'm just kind of stoked right now. We'll see what happens. We'll cross our fingers. It should be a good shred sesh. All right, let's go check it out. The tide is really high today. Like, you guys can't tell. Stoked. Oh snap, dude, these are big. What a cool angle. Oh. Gnarly. Holy cow, look at this. This is wild. Look at all the whitewater. Tides come right up to here. So it's pretty gnar. I think in a doable way. I believe the wind seems like it's coming from that way. So the tack out will be there. I just need to get over that whitewater. It looks doable. I think it's still coming in. Jeez. Whoa. All right, good to know. But I think like right now it's super calm. If I can find that right set to punch out, I should be fine. I think we know what to do. Let's go set up. Here we go. Wow, those are big fucking things. Yeah, dude. It's funny, I got my board set up. I'm stoked. I'm still stoked. It's gonna be a challenge getting out there. In fact, I'm gonna call her right now. I feel like I'm gonna destroy my 5.5 meter today. I gotta get my pants on. Hold on. Somehow I picked up quite the turd. Where the hell did I step in a turd that big? But guys, this is no joke. There's overhead walls out there that I need to punch through and go around. And you know, with this angle, I'll have choices, but like, I could be just bad side of luck. And like, you know, you never know what's gonna happen, so. It's not even high tide yet. The sun's not gonna last long, but you guys see that rainbow? I mean, that's a good sign, right? Guys, this is big. So some quick notes on getting out in waves in offshore winds, non-shorepound situations. Make sure you have enough wind for your wing. I tend to pick a slightly bigger wing so I have power to get up instantly. You gotta be quick. As I approach the whitewater in the shallows, I hold on to my strap and I pull the board sideways until it's deep enough to go upright. Once upright, still using the handles, I lift the board over the whitewater whenever I can. The foil will keep the board down as the wave passes you. In your other hand, you hold the wing. You keep the wing right side up, always out of the water. Use the first handle of the strut.
keep it higher over your head, or use the leading edge handle. Flipping the wing back over is always my priority. You can't get anywhere without the wing, so you have to be ready. If you have to, jump when the waves come. Keep your hands and your head above the water. If you're in deeper water or the whitewater is a wall, throw the wing over the wall. If you let go of your board, it'll go behind you towards the beach, upwind. You want to keep that wing in your hands, in front of you, and over the waves. You need to be deep enough that your mast won't ground in the troughs. Longer masts may put you further into the wave breaking zone. I use an 80 centimeter mast. It works well. Sometimes you just have to wait a while for a break in the chaos, but you still have to be in the right spot. Shorter period waves are going to be a lot more difficult to deal with. When you see a good break in the waves, you need to get up fast. You can always practice that ahead of time. Quite likely, some little thing could mess you up and you have to start over. That's part of the game. The key is to stay cool, keep at it. Once you're standing up, but not on foil, every time a wave comes, you point that board straight into the wave or to the whitewater. Use your wing for stability, and if your board is sideways, you're just gonna get taken out. And if you get caught in a bad spot, try to keep the wing on one side of you and the board on the other. If that board flips and the foil's pointing up, try to get that thing over ASAP. When that board flips over and I can't get my wing over that wave, that's when I break wings. And people, you will kill wings. It sucks. I put holes in almost every single wing I've had. It's part of the game. It's frustrating. Just know that I've probably killed more wings than you, and I'm still here. I'm still stoked. This day, I took about 100 waves to the head before I got out. It's all about lining all the little things up and waiting. You gotta get up to your feet quick. There's a lot of luck to it, and good luck, my friends. so stoked. I am not kidding when I said that I took at least 100 waves on the head trying to get out, but it just took a lot of persistence. And I'm lucky I finally made it out. I had like 2.5 hour session on the water, and I'm stoked. Those conditions were sweet. I said that I had a feeling that I was gonna break my wing. I don't really have footage of it, but I did break my wing. I have footage of me and one of my last tacks in, the whitewater was just catching up to me, and then I fell in and I was in a bad spot. I had these walls of whitewater just coming and pummeling me on the head. I kept throwing my wing over. I'm like the 5th wave, I just didn't throw my wing far enough. It tumbled with my board, put a hole in it. It is what it is. You gotta pay to play to be in that cool wave situation. The 140 tail was sweet, but I do feel like it's got some less drag or something, so I feel like where I usually put my feet in the foot straps is too far forward, so now I have to move my mast track forward. I usually ride it at 8. I'm gonna ride it at 10 next session. I had a red shim in it. I'm gonna put a red and a blue shim. So in general, I really liked it, but it was just tripping me up a lot. It is what it is. I'm pretty stoked to get it out there on it again. And so yeah, that's it. More 880 videos coming up soon. If you wanna see some more, please consider clicking that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. Drop me a comment. Let me know if you've used the dart before, and I want to know if you guys move it up any farther than like the 180 or the 205. It'd just be really cool to know that like that's happening to other people and that's not just a weird thing with me. And with that, I hope all of you guys are doing well out there. I'll see you soon on the flip. I wish you all an awesome day. Later.